Good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday, the 7th of July, and I'm looking at the price this morning because I forgot. Well, I didn't forget to do a video last night. It's just the England game was on. We beat Sweden. I had a few beers, and then I fell asleep. Rock and roll with all the heat. So yeah. So that's as you can imagine, after having a few beers, didn't really feel like looking at the charts, but. Just been swimming this morning at 8 o'clock, so got there nice and early, took the little man swimming, so that was good. Let's have a little look and see what I was talking about yesterday. So yesterday morning, what was going on? So on the daily, we saw the price that was respecting this weekly trend line still, and we were also pulling back up into the 14 EMA, and then on the 4 hour, we were back down testing this structure at the pushing down towards sort of 47 cents. So what's been going on in the meantime? Well, we can see that prices pushed up. Obviously, we came down to 47 cents. And, it's sort of really failed to break the lows here. Rejected, had a big impulse up. And we've come back up into a bit of structure around these highs here. So you think we're coming up towards the top of this zone. Obviously we're starting to range, so price on the 4 hour has broken above this weekly trend line. Let's have a look on the daily. So on the daily, what have we done? So yeah, you can see it's just prices push, push, push. So for me, it's gonna be a retest of this upper level, really. I mean, this sort of structure, I would want to see price break above, and if we can push towards, say the 52 cents level, so we're looking at 52 cents would push us up into these wicks. If we can get a higher close than this wick here, then that could be a good indication that price may be starting to move up. On the weekly chart, again, I think the new candle start tonight, so it will be interesting to see what this weekly candle formation does. So again, if we close below this wick of last week, then I think we could still see price get down. Short term, let's look at the hour and just see if anything interesting is going on here. Well, I mean, the first thing that's jumping out at me is just this structure here. So where price is pushed up, we're here. Let's just do a quick fib, just to take it from the most recent height there. So we're pushing back up into this sort of 618 area, which again gives us this structure. So I think we'll probably see a retest of 49 cents up here, depending on what the price does at that point though. We could see a push down. So projections, if price did go up and stopped, so the golden ratio 1.618 would put us down at these lows here. So back on the 4 hour, again, just we're ranging at the moment. There's not really too much to tell you other than I think that if price will probably push up to sort of 49 cents, we'd need a strong break of this structure over here, and then we could see a push down to retest this sort of 45 cents level again. Again, we're just in this sort of zone, so we'll see what the week brings. I'll go over some Forex pairs later on once I've dropped the little man back home. But for now, enjoy your Sunday. It's nice and sunny here, and yeah, if you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe. Like I say in every video, I'm just trying to point out at the moment where we are. I mean, with recent structure and sort of levels to watch. if we start seeing breaks above these marked out zones here, then we could start to look at some higher structure. But for now, we are pretty much range bound with what's going on. As you can sort of clearly see, we've tried to push below, we've tried to push up, we're just going sideways. So not very exciting at the moment, but we will see. If you want me to look at any other pairs, by all means, you can drop a message at StinkFX. And yeah, I'll take a look. Again, it's just trying to be as objective as possible. So I'll do a snapshot tomorrow morning. Do some Forex videos later. But as said, enjoy your Sunday, and we will see where price takes us.